Go to this website that will help us to create our brand. It's called Logo AI. Logo AI. So we'll go to this website called Logo AI. It's help us to build a brand for our website business. So here, let's go. Star, of course. And here I will write the name, my business name that I just pick it up, hosting or hostify that shop. Continue. For the slogan, it's optional. And here we have to choose the category. For me, I will choose here internet. For the color, I like this cold one, and pick continue, and of course generate. For here I like this smaller one, and click generate. That's a logo that I will come here and see what the logo that you like. It's very awesome. It's very good. So for me, I will go in with this. I like this one. I will go here and put it in Fiverr. Yeah, this another income of stream